In this lesson, I will teach you how to make a ruffle in your skirt. This is a simple but effective technique that you can apply to any skirt. To begin with, we will get a piece of a fabric that is similar to that of a skirt. We will then fold the tail on the machine. To make our ruffle, we keep a centimeter space so we can later make the waistband. Now we draw two parallel lines with half a centimeter distance between them. We will now expand the stitch and begin sewing the two lines. After that is done, we will begin creating the ruffle by pulling off the end of our thread, making the final. Thank you for watching these lessons. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed it.